Alright, so what you can see here is I've taken that cardboard and I've just made my own box to kind of custom fit close around the egg. This one was challenging because we didn't have the padding we'd had in the previous videos, at least not as much padding. You know, we've got the cotton from the Q-tips, but we didn't have cotton. We've got paper in the form of the cardboard itself, kind of, but we didn't have giant wads of paper we could wrap around here, and we didn't have soft and smooth paper towels to put around here. So what I did, not only did I use the box for casing, I used the box for cushioning. I tried to put in some Q-tips to put some shock absorbency. Also, I used Q-tips, as you see when I take this thing apart, to hold the egg into place. Just really hoping it all works. So let's give it a try. Well, I didn't like the way it sounded. I feel like I never do, but there's no goo coming out, so I'm going to slowly and carefully take this apart because I actually think that in my last attempt that I cracked the egg trying to take it apart. So bear with me. You can see I used my Band-Aids almost exclusively to hold the thing together. Oh yeah, don't forget about your Band-Aid wrappers. Check those out. Okay, those added some good cushioning. Remember, everything when you do this, you have to use a view as a resource. So I'm going to continue unwrapping. You can see my Q-tips in here. I used a shock and absorbency inside of the outer case. Going to keep carefully unwrapping this. Still no egg goo on me. Okay, you look, Again, I put more and more packing inside of there. You can see really well here how I put the Q-tips to hold the egg in place inside of there. I thought that that would do a good job of keeping it from bouncing hard against a surface. And yes, you also see Band-Aids around the egg. I figured, you know what, they've got cotton on them. That's good cushioning, so why not? So you can see I wrapped this around the egg, similarly to how you saw me wrap the paper. This egg is really fixed in there, so I have to remove these Q-tips out of here to get the egg out. All right, so here I have an egg with a bunch of Band-Aids on it. I look around and I don't see any cracks. I'm gonna carefully peel off these Band-Aids just to make sure. Still no cracks. Still no cracks. Still a crack-free egg. And finally, there it is. Not a single crack anywhere on the egg. So that egg drop was successful. Good luck, scientist.